talking for a while, the naughty monkeys had an idea. Let's see them pop up our tails. Cut off their tails. Are they crazy? No, we want money. Money, help! Be quiet, you silly goose. Let's ask other monkeys to cut off their tails too. So every monkey will look the same. Let's do it. Ouch, ouch, ouch! Yeah, we are free. After the monkeys got out of the trap, they went to the good monkeys. We are